Hi everyone, welcome back with another recipe video. Before that, happy Diwali in advance to everyone. Non-Indians, Diwali is a popular festival celebrated in India. So on this occasion, showing out 3 recipes that you could try out and enjoy with your family. Keep watching. Beginning with a Bengali sweet, Lobongo Lotika. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. To my Bengali viewers, this may not be your authentic recipe, just give some slight changes to it from my side. I love the way it's made and the look of it. For here, just to reduce time, instead of fresh milk, I have used evaporated milk. That's the reduced milk. This is for making the koya or the mawa. Into a saucepan, I added 3 tins of 160 ml each. To that, 1/8 cup or 30 millicup of sugar. Heat on medium flame. Meantime, into another pan, add 2 tablespoons of rava or semolina. To that goes 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And roast till light brown. Don't forget to check on the milk. Scrub the sides on the go. Now this is ready. Now when the milk is half reduced, add the roasted rava and the sesame seeds to it and mix continuously till it begins to thicken. When it's almost into a thick mixture, remove it and let it cool down. Now you can add freshly grated coconut and nuts for a crunch, it's up to you. Into another bowl, add 1 cup maida or all-purpose flour. To that goes 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, a pinch of salt and crumble it. Should be like a wet sand. If you don't get this texture, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee more. Then slowly add water and knead well till you get a soft dough. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, make dough balls. I made 10 here with 1 cup maida. Alternatively, let's make the sugar syrup. To 1 cup sugar, add 2 cups of water. Squeeze few drops of lemon. This is to avoid the sugar getting crystallized. Heat on low-medium flame. On the other side, spread some oil or ghee onto your palms. Take a spoon of the mawa mixture. Make it to a cube shape. So I have 10 dough balls and 10 mawa cubes. Keep a small bowl of water on the side. Take 10 cloves, that looks perfect. I'm using my non-stick press here. You can roll out with your rolling pin too. Lightly just pressing it. Place a mawa cube onto the center. Spread water onto the edges. Cover 2 sides as shown. Turn over and cover the other 2 sides as shown, making it a parcel. Lock it with a clove in the center. That's how it's made. Meantime, the sugar syrup is ready. It just needs to be sticky, that's all. Take it off from the heat. Continue with the rest of the parcels.
Make a good boy, make a good girl, okay? Very nice. Yes!
Let's fry them. Make sure the oil is hot enough, but not too hot that it burns quickly and doesn't cook the dough completely. Once it turns to a nice golden brown color, take it off. Place it in the warm sugar syrup for a few seconds. And then place it onto a serving plate. Prepare the rest the same way. And serve. Next is sweet Boondhi. Instead of sugar syrup, I have used Jaggery here. Let's see how to make it. I don't know the exact measurement of Jaggery, but this is how it is. It's a big piece inside my palm. I have taken 2 of it. You can reduce or add more for the level of sweetness you require. I got 1.5 cup of syrup when melted with 1 cup of water added to it. The jaggery is all melted now, so take it off and let it cool down. Into a mixing bowl, add 1 cup gram flour or besan. To this add 1/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. 1/8 cup or 30 millicup of rice flour. Half teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything first. To this adding 1 cup water little at a time till it forms a very smooth semi-thick batter. I needed a little more water, so totally I took around 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of water. Now the batter is ready. Just checking out the consistency. Fry the boondis. Don't add too much at a time, just a big spoon. Once it turns to a light shade, take it off. Continue the same way. Place it onto a tissue to drain off the excess oil. Add to a mixing bowl. Lightly just crush it with your palms. Take a handful of cashews, almonds and walnuts. Crush them or chop them as you wish. Add it to the boondis. You can even add raisins if you like. Then add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Just a mix. Strain the jaggery to remove the impurities and add it to the boondis. And serve. Garnish with crushed almonds or any nuts. This is edible silver foil. It's optional just to give it a beautiful look. The last one is a very simple recipe with very few ingredients, Almond Burfi or Badam Burfi. Take 1 cup almonds. Add boiling hot water into it and keep for 30 minutes. Then you can easily remove the skin. Once all the almonds are ready, place it onto a towel and pat dry. There shouldn't be any water on the almonds. It should be completely dry. Add it to a blender and pulse it or grind it in low speed. If it has bigger pieces of almonds, blend again to a fine powder. Make sure the oil doesn't ooze out. Now it's done. Add it to a bowl and keep it aside. And along with that, keep 2 tablespoons of milk ready. And finally, grease the tray that you'll be using. The steps are quick, so you will have to make sure of these. Now into a vessel, add 3/4 cup of sugar. To this add half cup water. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Heat to make a syrup. Once you get a 1-string syrup, lower the flame, add the almond powder and mix well for around 30 seconds. Then add the milk and mix again for another 30 seconds. Then take it off and quickly add to the tray. This becomes hard very soon, so don't delay. Press it evenly with a spoon that's greased. Add some crushed almonds on top and press lightly. This is optional, it's for a garnish and a light crunch. Then soon cut into squares because when it cools down completely, you won't be able to get a good shape while cutting. Once it cools down, serve. So that ends today's video. Hope you would try out these sweet recipes and let me know your feedback. Once again, happy Diwali. See you soon with another video. Until then, stay blessed, take care, bye bye.